Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcoming you all in India's official Apple store here in New Delhi. All our international days have a theme linked to it. But for this time on Earth Day, we have a special one. Invest in our planet. But for that, why I'm at the Apple store? Let's check this out.
Apple has a plan and a promise to make Apple carbon neutral. Wait, no, we've already done that. To make every single Apple product carbon neutral by 2030. Even yours. We're working to make every iPhone, iPad, watch, and Mac with 100% recycled or renewable materials. We're finding new ways to extract aluminum, steel, tin, tungsten, and plastic from recycled Apple products. We're growing enough trees and recycling enough paper to sustain all our packaging. But we can do much more. It's not just what goes into our products, it's also how they're made. Hundreds of manufacturers, distributors, testers, assemblers, disassemblers, and material makers all upgrading to 100% renewable energy. A lot of them are even going zero waste. But it's still not enough. Manufacturing is just a part of it. What about all of you? This is a big one. Apple devices are all over the world, and by 2030, all of the electricity charging all of your devices will be 100% renewable. So you're a part of this too. Because Apple is going carbon neutral. No, everything Apple is going carbon neutral. Apple has a plan.
Climate change is not a challenge tomorrow, but it's imperative today. A lot of carbon credits are given a set advantage to the companies, and the companies with the excess carbon credits can sell this. Carbon credits are monetary incentives. Low extraction technologies, carbon emission technologies have really arrived in India, but India is still late. And partnerships like Zep and Zepto are aiming to reach net zero by 2030. But a lot of startups or maybe big brands with them like Aditya Birla Retail, Adani Group, Dalmia Cement are also aiming to reach net zero by 2075. But are they really going to do that or just making a corporate label? Let me know in the comment section which Indian startup or Indian brand is 100% carbon neutral. Looking forward to your comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. Thanks a lot.